Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. And holy crap, we are on the PS3. I never thought we would ever get past it, but we are on the PS3 games, guys. This is great. This is just awesome. Holy crap, guys. I never thought I'd make it here. Let me do something before anything is subtitles on. New game. Wait, what? Did I already start a new game? Okay, well, we'll just override our old game. Here we go. Buckle your horses. What? Get ready, grab your popcorn, buckle your horses, because this is going to be the longest intro probably ever and ever of everness. I got my popcorn, so I'm good.
Fuel lines, check. Horizontal stabilizers, check. Ion thrusters.
Looks like we got a tailwind. If we time it right, we can ride the slipstream of the grav train past the Seagrid traffic. Launch the mag grappler onto that pedway overpass and slingshot right up to...
Ratchet.
The thrusters are fine, Clank. See? Don't worry, it's probably just a fused ion.
Incoming message from Captain Quark.
Ratchet? Clank? I've got a bit of a situation here at the Planetary Defense Center. Nothing I can't handle. Now give it just a few thousand heavily armed robotic commandos, but I figured, hey, if you were in the neighborhood, maybe...
Heavily armed robotic commandos?
When aren't they heavily armed?
Aren't you sure this is functioning properly?
You worry too much. Planetary Defense Center, here we go. Mike, hit the auxiliary thruster! You alright?
Watch out! Where are you going?
It's a shortcut. Trust me.
Ratchet, look out!
See? What did I...
Oh,
Looks like we're going on foot. At least I can try out my new nav unit.
Oh, badass. Uh-oh, don't want to knock that down. I'm still using that crappy remote, if you could see. But, here we go.
Welcome back, customer 91802.
Thank you.
If you're looking to combat a massive, deadly space armada, the Gadgetron Help Desk will be happy to assist.
Oh, thank you. So let's get started here. Oh, man, does it look great. Oh, look, it's beautiful, Captain. Oh my god, never mind. Popcorn in my teeth. Woo. Oh gosh, excuse me. Woo! Woo! Isn't it fun to be... Oh yeah, I have weapons, don't I? I have the combustor. Isn't it amazing? It combusts magnum. That makes sense. Oh gosh. I got an itch in my nose. Hole. I don't know. I'm just so excited to play this freaking game. And then I've decided what I was never mind, I'll discuss it later. I'll discuss it when the time comes. Which might be in like a week or so, I'm pretty sure. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at those drop shapes. They look straight out of Ratchet and Clank 1. Not really, but We are back at Metropolis. I just remember crossing this bridge and Al's Robo Shack being in there. Most likely. I mean, that's probably where it is. Like, okay, see ya. I know. I know, I'm using my, combustor right now. Try to upgrade it, you know. Otherwise, my fusion grenade is super freaking powerful. Like, it is OP to the max. Like, it's even good in later levels. Like, I'll use it when I need it. Whee! Oh gosh, poor Metropolis. So sad. Oh gosh, here we go. Let's just enjoy the nice music. The music in this game is phenomenal. It's so great. This is probably the most memorable song out of the whole game, though. Like, I catch myself humming it. It's that great. But. Let's go. Oh look, it's Cork's Hideout. Never mind. Hopefully all those citizens are alright. Oh gosh, never mind. No, wait, never mind. It doesn't really matter because no one even goes in there. Like, the inside of that building was like so bad. Never mind. I don't know why, but when I was a kid and I'd play the demo at Walmart, because my family couldn't afford a PS3. That was so amazing. Like the graphics on the TV and the explosions and stuff. Like, my favorite part was seeing that building fall apart. That's really cool. Like, my favorite part was seeing all these people dying in an exploding building. So people. Okay, yeah. What? This kind of reminds me of Roller Coaster Tycoon. Yeah, that game. I played it for a little bit, but I kind of am over it. Like, I still want to do the series, but. I'm just taking a break for like a few 5 months or something. I don't know. Woo! I know. Let me just pull out my magma combustor. Or never mind, it's not a magma combustor yet. That's what it is when it's upgraded all the way. It's the magma combustor. Let's GTFO, ho. Popcorn. Uh-oh. Oh! Hopefully my crunching is not too loud. This is already almost upgraded to level 2. What's the highest isn't the highest upgrade in this game level 4? I'm pretty sure it is. Oh no, it's level 5. Oh gosh, another building. Wasn't I supposed to grind rail around that building? Why is there no, like, railings on the sky bridge? Whatever. Yeah, it doesn't break until you never mind. I thought it wouldn't break until you move forward. What the If it starts me from the beginning, I'm gonna flip it to it. Okay. That was such a baloney. Oh, my first death. Let's just pretend that never happened, because it didn't. Let's just say that never happened. Alright? Oh wait, what never happened? What am I talking about? Wink wink. Banana phone? I don't freaking know. Okay. Oh yay! I don't remember shooting anything. I'll take it.
Weapons upgrade automatically as they are used. This increases their damage and adds new modifications.
I know how it's used. I know how to upgrade weapons. I played every Ratchet and Clank game in eternity. I'm that good at the game. I played every game in eternity at Ratchet and Clank. I even played the new game coming out next year. Like, I'm freaking that good. Okay, try not to brag, but it's pretty easy to be good at this game. All you have to do is blow stuff up, like, and then you win. Sounds like another Naughty Dog game. Naughty Dog? What the hell? Insomniac game. Like, I just like ruined my Ratchet and Clank knowledge for life. I should never. I quit the. You know. Thank you guys for watching. That's it. You know. I ruined my game knowledge of this game. Yeah, whatever that means. But Insomniac. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of explosions in Spyro the Dragon. First game, because that's the only one I've played. Oh. Wait, didn't that building already blow up? Like, twice? Where are these trains going? Why is there even operational trains at this time? Oh, I remember this. I double jump and I kill a guy. Lovely. See ya. Alright. Whee! Another bounce, okay.
Ratchet, the planetary defense center is 200 cubits below us. How do you propose we get down?
I don't know. I'm kind of winging it right now.
Alright, so these buildings, I'm pretty sure I'm at the top of all these buildings. Like, there's no way the buildings are this high off the ground. Okay. Two fusion grenades. Oh, keep going, I don't know why I stopped. Okay. Time to blow some stuff up. Uh-oh.
Maximum nanotech level has increased.
Okay. I don't know why I always thought Ratchet looked like a duck when he was like, oh. I don't have 6-axis on this thing. This is a wire. This controller is a wire because my other one's dead. So I'll just turn off 6-axis. Oh, motion sensors. Okay. There we go. So yeah, these little diving sessions are back. I should turn it up because oh, there's the yellow taxi. The yellow taxi always kills me. Go like that.
Looks pretty quiet. Where's Quark?
Up your butt.
Greetings, citizen. I'm away from my post at the Planetary Defense Center. Please enter the number that best describes your emergency. If you are being attacked by a radioactive amoeboid, please press 1. If you've been ingested by a mutant space eel, please press 2. If your city is being attacked by a massive deadly megalodon, please press 3.
I believe you may be their intended target.
You think?
Alright. Whoa! That started quickly. Wait till I swallow my popcorn and stuff. Now there's a bunch of popcorn in my crotch. Turn! Uh-oh. What? Why the... They should have just had those... They should have just had the flying trains, because I don't know why they have to go on the grind rail. Well, you can't argue with game physics. And wouldn't that piece fall? So oh no! Does this seem familiar? Ratchet and Clank 1? Battalia? Or not Battalia. Atlantis? Altanis? That one world that's like all destroyed. turn up.
Behold, the last lombax in the universe. Truly a pathetic specimen of the race, I'm afraid. So weak.
And you are?
Emperor Percival Tachyon, Crown Prince of the Cragmites, conqueror of space and time, and, pending the obliteration of a few insubordinate species, ruler of the universe.
Your name's Percival?
Emperor! See the crown, see the scepter, the giant walking throne and legion of royal robotic commandos, Emperor! Not that a treacherous furball like you could... What's this? Such a primitive robot companion. And your kind used to be such renowned engineers.
Oh, I'd be careful if I were you. He's got cosmorphic plastic at his fingertip.
My gripe is not with the people of this archaic planet, but with you. Surrender your deathbot and simply allow us to kill you. No one else need be harmed.
Fair enough. There you go.
Percival Tachyon.
Autopilot engaged.
Whoa! Hang on, Clank!
Hyperspace boosters online. Engaging cryosleep.
There's no way I'm gonna...
It is fortunate cryosleep does not work on robots.
Popcorn.
Clank! Clank! Are you okay? You got knocked out there for a minute.
I am fine. Where are we?
Beats me. Ship must have run out of fuel while on autopilot. Come on, we need to find another ship and get back to Kerwan.
Totally. Anyways, that is the last episode for the last episode. That is it for today. In the next episode, we will continue on planet Kabalia. Was that spoiling anything? Should I have said planet Kabalia? Oh, whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This has been the first episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools Destruction. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Anyways, my name's Ethan GV, and I'm out. Peace.